Hello everyone, welcome to the wood shop. Before we do any work, we need to make sure that we are safe. Always wear safety glasses, hearing protection if necessary, remove jewelry, tie back long hair, tuck in loose clothing, and always wear closed-toed shoes. All right, here we are at the bandsaw, and we're gonna make a couple curved cuts today. We're gonna make an outside curve and an inside curve cut. I'm gonna show you how to do this. When we make outside curve cuts, we need to give ourselves some cuts, relief cuts, to allow these pieces to break away so that we don't have to make this cut in one big long string. We're gonna do the same to the bottom here, but we're gonna remove this material first so that our relief cuts don't have to be very long. We don't want to back out of long cuts on the bandsaw because we run the risk of pulling the blades off of the wheels, or there's only one blade per bandsaw. But we don't want to pull the blade off the wheels. It becomes hazardous, the blade can break, and it gets expensive. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is isolate the power on the machine so we can set up the guard. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we're gonna set our guard height about 1/4 inch at the very most above the top of our wood so that there's no way we can get our finger in there accidentally. Also, we need to stay about 2 inches away from the blade. Keep our hands away, so no pushing the wood directly towards the blade in the direction of the cutter, okay? This is very important. Make sure you keep your hands away because accidents happen and we want to minimize those. We have push sticks if you need to get into tight places to make some of these cuts and you can only hold on with one hand and you want a little bit of extra support. So use a push stick if you need to. So I'm going to start by making my relief cuts. Stopping a little bit short of my line. This gives our cut somewhere for these pieces to break away, so we don't have to make this in one continuous cut. Turn the machine off before you remove any other materials and remove them with a stick or with a broom. Don't brush anything off with your hands. Now we're going to make this inside cut and we're going to remove this piece of wood first. Now I can take that piece of wood to the sander to clean this up. So I'll use the disc sander to clean this one up and the spindle sander to clean this one up.